Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna unbox this Lytool half-inch torque wrench. So guys, I have purchased this because every time season changes I go to a dealer to get my wheels switched, and then again after driving around 100 kilometers I gotta go back to get it retorqued. But now I'm gonna do it myself because gas is expensive and most importantly it's gonna take time. So in this video I'm gonna unbox it. So first I'm gonna remove this outer layer. This I purchased from Amazon. It was very cheap. I think around $50 I purchased. I don't remember the exact, but somewhere around that, right? Based on your location, you could get a different deal. So outside it's in a good plastic box, and you have openers here and two, and I open. Now before you buy anything like this, the very first thing you should do is to read your car's owner manual. Okay, because what kind of socket you need and what kind of range, and most importantly how much torque you need, because you don't want to do it over torque or under torque, right? So make sure you read that, then only do. So in this I have got this instruction book, this socket, elongated socket, and these three sockets of 19-inch 17 millimeter, 19 millimeter and 21 millimeter. I'm going to use 21 because this is what is recommended. Okay, and now I'm going to take this out. So now it is opened. You see at the end this is the dialing which you can rotate to adjust the readings. It's available in foot-pound and also in Newton meter. And at the bottom I have lock and unlock. So when you open and if you find it's not moving, don't get frustrated. It might be locked, it might be unlocked. So you need to rotate in the relevant direction. Okay, see, this one is unlock, this is lock, and this is unlock. So if you do clockwise, it's gonna lock, unlock. So first unlock this and then set it up to the foot-pound value that you want, and then lock it. In this way it will be ready for use in the stage 2. So for that I'll make a different video, but let me know guys, do you like it? It's black in color and it's not heavy. I can handle it. Okay, remember, when you retorque it, there are specifications, there are methods that you must follow, otherwise it could be a disaster. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.